I'm here about to go do my nails. It is 9 o'clock on Friday, and I am just really excited. Like, nails was something that I figured, or not that I figured, but like when I was in high school, like I always loved the look of acrylic nails, but I could never do them because I played piano a lot. And yeah, long drawn out story, but now it's like I what happened 4 years after I graduated. No, I think it was maybe 5 years. Yeah, 5 years after I graduated from high school, I got a letter in the mail that was basically saying like, hey, this is the letter from you when you was in high school. And I do remember creating it because when I was in my 12th grade year, I created a letter to myself and I wrote about how I thought my life would be. And one of the things was basically having acrylic nails. And I haven't had nails in so long, so I'm like, okay, yeah, I definitely need to get back into it. And even though the nails that I do really do damage my fingernails, but I'm gonna try to get the nail tech to basically do my nails in such of a way where she doesn't file it down all the way. So come along, because it's gonna be good, and I'm definitely gonna show you guys how it looks in the end. No free work, period. I first started out getting my feet done, and that was dreadful. But on to the good part. I was now prepping my nails, filing them down. I literally had to figure out how to tell my nail tech in Spanish, like, mommy, no, do not go too low. Because she speaks English, but there is a slight language barrier. So I'm always like, God damn, like I could speak Spanish, but I could only speak like elementary level. Like, had to figure out how to say fingers, how to figure out how to say nails, how to figure out how to say everything in between from filing. But you know, it was beautiful because I love visiting. I love, first of all, Spanish culture, I love Hispanic culture, and I love visiting Spanish speaking countries. So the more practice that I get to go in and really just refine the details is always best. So this was my inspo for my nail design. I got it from Pinterest, and I'm not sure who the real artist is. I just needed to make some slight tweaks, like making my nails a little longer and changing the shape a bit. The shape that I normally go for is coffin and long coffin. My preferred nail shape is long coffin, but I kind of had to take a step back from doing nails for a while, simply because it was damaging the health of my nails. Like, if I would kind of like bump my nails too hard, I would just feel an intense numbness that would last for days. And also just, it would not feel good. It just would not feel good. And then when I took my nails off, I would just see them slowly getting weaker and weaker and weaker until eventually like half my nail was missing. Half my nail was green. Like, what's up with that? That's never good. And that's never good. And especially because I don't know if it's because I wash dishes often or I wash my hair often, but some water was getting a little clogged up in the little crevices of the acrylic nail. It was not good. It was not good. So when it came to doing the little seashell part, my nail tech, and I'll link her information here, she kind of had to tap in some reinforcements, which, you know, no shame. I'm just happy that my nails look so cute in the end. Like, they were very demure, very mindful, very cutesy, very chic, very much classy, very much giving grown woman, but still I like to have fun. Still I like to look cute. Still I like to partake in the youthful girly things. That was the intention of this nail set, and she nailed it. Okay, y'all, she killed it, and I am just simply happy.